What's up guys, Tom here from the Craft of Fulfillment, and today I'm going to give you two super quick ways of finding out exactly why your inventory is reserved by Amazon. Okay, so there's two things I'm going to cover on this video. So the first one is the columns on the right. So all you do is go to Inventory, Manage Inventory, head over to Preferences at the top right where it says Columns Hidden. Click on that. And what we want to do is select reserved, and what you can also do is select unfulfilled, and this basically will tell you why a product can't be fulfilled basically. So if a customer sent it back and it's broke, then you can quickly check it on the front end. You don't need to check your emails all the time to figure that out. So tick both of these, obviously the reserved one as well. Scroll to the bottom, hit Save Changes, and then you will get extra couple of columns here. So when I hover over this one, it tells me that these are in FC transfer. So basically they're being transferred from a different warehouse to another one. So if Amazon picks up on the fact that this particular product sells really well in California, but I've sent it to Texas, they're going to be moving things across to the different fulfillment center basically. So that's all that means. So probably in the next few days that would have gone through. And then obviously you've got the unfulfillable column, which is just a really nice and quick, easy way of just double checking if a product has been sent back, and then you can go and contact Amazon from there and get them to give you the money back on that one. So yeah, so that's method number one. Method number two, I will enter the link below for this particular one. So reserved inventory. So this is just a page that you can just go to really quickly, put in your ASIN, hit next on there, and then it will tell you exactly the status of this particular inventory that you have typed in. So that's two really quick ways of double checking the status of your inventory. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and comment below if you've got any other questions at all, or you'd like me to make any other videos about this sort of thing. Yeah, I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.